Hey guys, so doing a little video update. I'm about to go get my exhaust done on the BMW finally. So if you remember in the last video, I went and showed you guys the exhaust tips I got, those Flowmasters. Gonna be putting on the quad exhausts on those. So in the meantime, I actually went ahead and I painted them. So I painted them a nice satin black overall, even on the inside as well. So I think they turned out pretty well. It's that exhaust heat resistant paint up to like 2,000 degrees, so the paint won't get ruined or anything like that with the exhaust coming out of it, all that heat. But it looks better than that shiny stainless steel metal on the BMW, since mine's already black. So just the stock ones were actually black to begin with as well, so I think that the continuing that look will look really well. So I'm about to head over to the muffler shop. We're going to go ahead and get that X pipe resonator deleted. Still going to keep the X pipe, but it's going to be straight through, no resonator built into it. And then we're also going to do the muffler delete on both sides, and it's just going to be straight pipe going straight out to those dual exhausts on each side. So hopefully it sounds good. Inserting a clip right now of the exhaust with the cold startup, and then revving it at 3, 4, and 6,000 RPMs. And then once I get the new exhaust, I'll do another cold start as well, and also while I'm driving, so you guys can actually hear inside the cab difference and as well as outside the vehicle, so you can see the difference and see if you guys want to do the same setup as mine as well. So let me know. Thank you. Okay, so this is going to be the cold startup. So I'll just start it up with the initial ignition running, and then do some revs on it so you can hear the difference. So I'll start up. There we go. All right, so about to do 0 to 50. Alright, so this is stock exhaust going from a standstill. As soon as this light turns green, we'll try to take off as much as we could from 0. It goes up to 50 here, so just doing a quick little run. Alright, gonna do another quick pull. Alright, they got the new X pipe installed, mocked up. Still needs to be finished with the welding on it, but there it is. Alright guys, so this is the first test drive after I just got the new exhaust done. So we got the resonators taken out and the mufflers, and then we got the two dual exhausts on each side put in as well. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but the has a notable hum going on currently when I'm just idling. I'm about to get on this this road real quick. That's about 55 miles an hour, so we'll hear it start up and go. All right. Wait for traffic to clear.